Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to export your gradebook. First, what you want to do is make sure you're in your Schoology course, then on the left column select Gradebook. Once the gradebook loads, make sure you're in the correct marking period, as you can see here. And to the right you'll see three little dots. Click on the three little dots and select Print Reports. This method allows you to create a backup of your grades as well in PDF format. You would select the marking period that you want to back up and then select the students. Then click on Generate Report. And once there, you'll see all the grades that the students have received. Then you'll right-click on the screen and select Print. Make sure that your destination says Save as PDF, and then once you click on Save, it will save that PDF into your Downloads folder. The second method, if we go back to Gradebook, you can export your grades as a CSV file. You would click on the three dots and select Export. Once there, you'll select the first dot that says Gradebook as CSV. When you click on Next, it's going to download that file to your Downloads folder. This is good practice for you to back up your grades at the end of a marking period or at the end of semesters. I hope this has been very helpful. Thank you.